Low cooling, direct cool refrigerator. Let us see the basic checks that are to be done in order to resolve low cooling in the refrigerator section of your LG direct cooling refrigerator. Open the refrigerator door and check status of the light bulb. Is it glowing? If not glowing or dim, then it is indicative of low input electrical supply voltage. Low input electrical can adversely impact the cooling performance of your product. Though your LG refrigerator is designed to work within input electrical supply range of 160 volt to 290 volt, it is advised that if the input electrical supply is persistently below 160 volt, then it is better to use a good quality voltage stabilizer. Open the refrigerator door and locate the temperature knob at the top right hand corner. Check if the temperature knob setting is as per season. Compare with the recommended setting as per the instruction label pasted adjacent to the temperature knob. Note that the 1 means lowest cooling, whereas 7 means highest cooling. Example, if the current setting is at 2 and you require more cooling, then you need to change the same to 5, 6 or 7 by rotating the temperature knob clockwise. Open the refrigerator door. Open the freezer door and view the status of frosting or ice formation in the freezer. A uniform and thick, about 1 inch thick, covering of ice or frost in the freezer is clear sign that unit needs to be defrosted. Locate the temperature knob at the top right hand corner. Press the defrost button in the center of the temperature knob firmly. It should depress inside. Once the defrost button is pressed, defrost starts in the unit. Caution: ensure the tray, called chiller tray, below the freezer is in place. It must not be removed during the entire defrost duration. Check if the ice is melting and then water dripping into the tray below the freezer, and then further into the white cup fixed below this tray. View the video. Note: during defrosting, the cooling in the product will reduce. This is perfectly normal phenomenon. The refrigerator will automatically come out of the defrost mode once all the ice or frost in the freezer has melted, and the process of cooling will start. Please check the status of the defrost button to confirm the same. If defrost is complete, the depressed defrost button would have returned back to normal position.